might be able to learn and develop in that capacity?
Actually, I argue that machine is actually better than human in giving advice. I really believe it. Humans have strong conflict of interest. I mean, so for example, I mean, when you're selling something, I mean, are you really selling really to the benefit of the clients, because clients just come first, or because your commission come first? Now, I mean, in the AI, you can always code it that you can. I mean, it just eliminates input of commission. Okay, so that eliminates one of the conflict. So I also mean humans are emotional. Okay, you like certain even you as a human, you're an advisor. You like certain things and you don't like certain things, and that kind of skew to kind of skew your advice. So in terms of when you think about ethics, I mean one of them is called conflict of interest. Ethics can be programmed. It's not that hard. I mean just human one of the input is commission. We just eliminate that input. I mean that should make the actual advice much more neutral. So I think in fact if you ask me, I think this is one of the reasons that the regulator will like AI. Because it is so simple, and then eliminate a lot of the unethical factors that we know humans are capable of doing. Sure.
Dr. Carl, actually. I wonder what the differences is between, like, you mentioned about the success of quant strategies, quant funds. What's the difference between that and algo trading? Because we all know that algo trading can go wrong. Just to name a famous example, the long-term capital management came up with by the guys who came up with Black-Scholes. So that went wrong, that failed. And do you think that things like the quant funds, what's the difference between that and algo trading, and why they're more successful than algo trading?
Now, because of time, I think this is the last question. We will all go back to the office. No, this is a very good question. Now, the thing is this. I mean, when we talk about AI, it have to learn by itself. Okay, a lot of algo trading, the trader will put in the algo, for example, simple case category analysis, or if you have golden cross, then you buy. If the death cross, you sell. I mean, that's algo trading, and they've been around for like 20 or 30 years. But there's no AI in it because the system doesn't learn. Now, going back to the example that we play games, if you think about it. Trading is very similar. My goal is to maximize my profit. Okay, so I ask the machine, how do I do to increase my profit? Given all the constraints, I limited products. I don't want the concentration in certain stocks. You put the constraints, and then the machine runs itself. That's what happening now. Actually, another comment I have, and then we'll share is that actually the people in Renaissance is actually very secretive. Because again, they know that they run their black box, and even so. In fact, the story is that somebody asked the people at Renaissance, "Why is your fund doing so well?" The guy says, "I don't know, because if I know, I can explain to you, it won't work." Okay, think about it. This is how this is in fact, if you ask me, this is close to super intelligence because it's something that you cannot explain. Because when you can explain it, if you can explain it, it means you understand it. Then it can be defeatable. How do you get alpha? When you have something that you understand. When you have alpha that you don't understand, that's really alpha because you don't even understand it. Okay, thank you.
I think I can supplement a bit. Just a couple of days ago, there's some people asked us about similar questions. And actually, quantitative financing is relatively a transparent box. Transparent box means that the parameter and the feature can be changed. The weighting can be changed. For AI, it's some sort of black box. Even the developer don't know what is the weighting inside, and you fine-tune the parameter and also the feature, which is the insight or some sort of domain knowledge, the sector domain knowledge. Actually, the black box runs itself. When you choose the right parameter or the right feature, actually, the prediction will it will automatically predict the next result. So unlike the quantitative way, it's totally different. So a lot of people think that a quantitative fund evolving into AI fund is a natural move. No, it's a quantum move. It's not a natural move. It's a transparent box by deduction and AI by induction. It's induction way, not a deduction way. Totally different story. I think that is very fundamental difference between quantitative fund and AI fund. It's totally different.
just one comment actually. I think one of the next thing I want to do for this AI group is to actually do quant trading. I really want somebody to talk about actual application of AI into in algo trading. So keep informed. We have a Facebook group. Make sure you join our Facebook page, and then we'll let you know of our future activities. I would like to end here. Thank you very much for your attending. Thank you.
And feel free to talk to us or in case you have any